Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Hitmonmike, and we're gonna try out some vlog style video today, and I'm here with my beautiful wife. So Frankenstein's, these trips, they hit different when your wife is the one that initiates it. So we're gonna meet up with some friends. It's gonna be a good time. I am looking for some loose packs of prismatic, and we'll take a look at the singles, see what kind of good deals we can find, and we'll go from there. All right guys, so this is what I'm talking about. For those that are not from SoCal, you might be familiar with it. It's pretty famous, but as someone that lives in SoCal, I can't take for granted that we have something like this. It's awesome. I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. Every collector, whether they're hardcore about it or just casual, there's something for everyone here, and I've been coming here since I was a kid, so I'm excited to share this with y'all. So give me 1 second, I'll show you what it's all about. Alright, so we got some horror themed stuff here, all kinds of cool stuff, but this is what we're looking for. For alligator right here. Look at all this cool stuff, guys. I just picked up the Surfing Sparks booster bundle. Hopefully we can pick up the Pika. Yeah.
Go.
Alright guys, so we're gonna find out if we have our Pikachu or anything cool in here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. And Lex, give me the good luck.
Good luck, Wiggles.
Alright. So these come with 6 packs. That means we have 6 chances to add our Pika. Although I wouldn't mind the Latias or the Milotic. Alright, so let's see. First pack. Let's see what we got. Okay. Okay, got the Shroodle, Gastrodon, and that was the holo. Alright, so nothing in the first pack.
Speak a little louder.
Okay. Alright, next pack. Hopefully this guy's in here. Yeah.
I don't feel it.
Alright, so we got Slackoth, Azelf, Vigoroth, Appleton, Paridon, Dragon Elixir. Ooh, we got an Ace Spec, Scramble Switch, got a Reverse Vampy, and a Palkia. Okay, So nothing in that pack. Lex, you need an ace spec?
Ooh. Let's take a look at it.
It's yours if you want.
Let's take a little peek.
All right. Gotta help out the deck building if you need it.
Yeah.
All right, next up, the Denny. We got Mankey, Substrika, Meryl, Executor, Iron Bundle, Mousehold, Togetic, Colbur Berry, and Cofferegus. Nothing there. Let's go. 3 more packs. Otherwise, it's $40 down the drain.
Oh no.
Nah, it's for the experience, right? It's all in good fun.
Is it though?
Is it, right? Yeah, my wife is skeptical. Let's feel. We got Little, Dino, Goldango, Magnezone, TM Machine, Fluorite. We got Rotom. Ooh, we got a Vivillon. Illustration rare.
Brilliant.
Let's go.
That one's a dope.
Then Zarude. So definitely gonna need to sleeve this up. Put it right here. We got the Zarude.
I'm about to say, does Goldango make it rain? Because if he does, I'm down to take that one too.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Let me
I
see.
think it's right there. Yeah. Make it rain.
Strike it
Or
rich.
strike it rich. Oh,
Just
never
take
mind.
it. Oh, you don't want it?
I'll
Just take
I'll
it. Just take it.
Yeah, take it.
All right, two more packs.
That one feels lucky, I think.
Feels lucky?
I think.
All right.
Don't quote me though.
All right, let's see if we can get the wife luck. Here we go. 2 more packs left, guys. The Rowler, Grappalox, Dino, Esper, Surfer. We got the Registeel, Walrein, Tapu Lele, Crocolore, and a Alolan Executor.
Ah, nice.
Nice
I didn't
little
say
hit
how
there.
lucky we were gonna get. I just said it felt like something nice.
It's not bad, not bad. All right,
It's
last
not
pack,
not a
magic.
hit.
All it takes is one.
Really?
All it takes is one.
I'm living proof.
Get the one hitter quitter. All right, roughly.
My Hydreigon
You got
Dark.
Trapinch,
This is my electric Pokemon. My
Celio,
main deck right here.
Rowler, Bruxis, your favorite.
Cheers.
Medley Memo, Appleton. Got a reverse Paldean Tauros, Gravity Mountain, and a Tapu Lele.
Nice.
All right, so you can't win them all, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.